Look where we are.
It's very early.
It is early. It's a bit cold as well. Lauren's new house. Little hobbit hole.
Oh, yeah.
Welcome to Hobbiton.
I didn't realise there was so much hill walking involved.
We're here with Get Your Guide. I can already recommend it.
Yeah. It's transport from Auckland here, and then after here we're going to go to the Glowworms as well.
Yes.
And it was about £180 per person if you to book it on Get Your Guide.
Really like detailed there. Loads of stuff.
There's also a very beautiful blue door hole round. Now we're going to make our way. Oh, it's captured on fire!
Welcome to the Green Dragon.
Cheers! Now we're back. Hang on a minute. I need to get back inside.
You can keep your fancy ales, you can drink them by the flagon. The only brew for the brave and true comes from the Green Dragon. We're off to see the glowworms, but no cameras, so
Can't film inside, so.
no pictures. In we go.
Sea. You travel down the river, get out to sea, and they all go.
We've just had a car for the day, taken about a 3-hour drive out of Auckland.
Well, it should have been a bit less, but we took a couple of wrong turns.
Yeah, it's a big motorway,
And the car hire cost £62 for the day.
so it's not too bad really.
No, and that includes full insurance as well.
Yeah, we're keeping it overnight, then we're dropping it off in the morning. But yeah.
We're not rushing back.
So just, yeah, heading to New Chums Bay, just over that. That's the lookout there, New Chums Beach. It's a nice little drive.
Yeah, it's a nice drive to be fair. It's a very quiet beach.
Very windy roads though.
I'm assuming because it's a Thursday, it's quite quiet here.
Yeah.
Hopefully the sun comes back out from around the clouds. It's been sunny till we've got here.
Yeah. Track. Ice cream van. So that walk was quite steep.
It was that steep that we didn't even get the thing out to film.
Yeah.
Out to film. Because you were literally holding on with everything you could possibly hold on with.
And we're not exactly kitted out for that sort of walk today.
It
The
was
bag's
very
quite heavy.
overgrown as well. No one mentioned how overgrown it was.
Yeah, I don't think people have been down it that often recently, because it was, Yeah, very overgrown.
And we didn't make it to the top.
But anyway, so we're headed to Cathedral Cove now, which is a beach that's in Narnia, and also I think it's the background for a Windows lock screen as well.
But we've got a bit of a walk on because the tide's coming in.
Yes.
So
But you can just park on this farmer's land and then
pay $15.
pay $15 and walk
This
down.
walk's an easier walk than the one from the city.
Nice little walk. Doo-doo-doo. Just down there. And there's Narnia. So the other walk is like, how long is it, like half an hour or 50 minutes or something?
Yeah, half an hour to the ice cream bit, which is similar to this, but this is flatter, so you can walk it a lot faster. Whereas I think that's across like rocks. And
Yeah, although that one is free parking.
Oof.